Hello, welcome to Instant Links, one-stop destination for all your link monetization. Whether you're looking for easy short links, high CPM rate, real view count, low minimum payout, daily payment, high referral commission, or good customer support, we have got you covered. In this video, we will take you on a journey through our website and highlight some of its exciting features. Let's get started. Here we are, on the homepage of Instant Links. As you can see, the design is clean and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. The modern layout adapts perfectly to any device, ensuring an excellent experience whether you're on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. First, one of the most remarkable features of our website is easy pages so that your users will get the destination link instantly. We allows you to short link into pages and or 3 pages and according to your need with different CPM rates. This makes a valuable feature for you. Second, another standout feature is real-time view count. With real-time view count you can track the clicks on your link in real time. Due to this there will be no reduction in the clicks coming on your link means it's anti-fraud. Third, our commitment to excellence is evident. Powerful Telegram bulk link converter bot. This powerful bot enables you to short multiples bulk links in just a click. Also much more extra features available in this bot. By using this powerful bot, you can do your work very easily in less time. Fourth is very loved feature by our publishers. The fourth feature is daily payment with low minimum payout amount. Yes, you heard right. We pay all our publishers payment on daily basis. Means now you don't have to take any tension of payment. Fifth, customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we want to be there for you whenever you need us. Our customer support is here to assist you with any queries or concerns. Reach out to us through WhatsApp, and our friendly team will be happy to help you. Remember, instantlinks.in is your ultimate link monetization destination. Browse, explore, and discover a world of possibilities right at your fingertips. Start your earning journey with us today.